Today, we're making a silken tofu bowl with freshly made tofu, roasted mushrooms, and winter greens. This healthy comfort food is packed with umami. I was inspired to make this dish when I visited the plant-based fine dining restaurant 11 Madison Park and tried their silken tofu topped with summer tomatoes. This is a winter adaptation of that dish, topped with hearty winter greens and mushrooms. Let's start with our braised greens. Heat some olive oil in a pan and sauté some thinly sliced shallots. Add thyme. Add some coarsely chopped assorted greens, such as kale, chard, collard greens, or arugula. Sauté until the greens are wilted. Add some prepared Nord liquid concentrated vegetable base to add a savory flavor, as well as some Knorr professional brown gravy to add a full-bodied richness to the greens. Bring this to a boil. Cover and gently simmer for 15 to 30 minutes until the greens are tender. Reserve and keep warm. And now for the silken tofu. Making tofu from scratch is actually very easy. Let me show you how. Heat soy milk to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll want soy milk that has at least 12 grams of protein per serving. Pour the soy milk into 3 serving cups and add nagari tofu coagulant, or magnesium chloride, to each cup. Mix briefly. Place the cups into a dry pan with a lid. Pour the hot water into the pan around the cups to the level of the soy milk. Cover and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Once set, remove the cups from the pan. It's as easy as that, and you've got house-made silken tofu. Here, I have some assorted mushrooms that I've tossed with olive oil, rosemary, salt, and pepper, and then roasted for 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Now we're ready to serve. Top the tofu with the warmed greens and the roasted mushrooms, and serve immediately. Savory, comforting, and healthy. Your guests will love this silken tofu bowl with roasted mushrooms and winter greens. Made with Knorr Professional Liquid Concentrated Vegetable Base and Knorr Professional Brown Gravy. Enjoy!